In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Maths questions under percentage error. So these are repeated questions under percentage error. We have 4 questions to practice with in this video. So let's begin with this first one. It says a student measures a piece of rope and found that it was 1.26 meter long. If the actual length of the rope was 1.25 meter, what was the percentage error in the measurement? So guys, to solve problems under percentage error, this is the formula you should be working with. So we have it to be error over actual times 100 over 1. So to get the error in this question, it's going to be 1.26 minus 1.25 meter. So when you punch it on your calculator, you're going to get 0.01. But let's do it to be sure. So it will be 1.26 minus 1.25. So we have the output to be 0.01. So this is going to give us 0.01 over the actual length is 1.25 times 100 over 1. So let's punch it in the calculator to get the result. So it's going to give us 0.01 times 100. So have it be 1 divide 1.25. So we have it to be what? 0.8%. So the correct option is what? Option C. So it's as simple as this, guy. Let's go to the next question. Let's wipe this first. Okay, so very interesting. All right, so next question, we have a student is using a graduated cylinder to measure the volume of water and reports a reading of 18 ml. The teacher reports the value as 18.4 ml. What is the student's percent error? So guys, as we all know, percentage error is error over actual times 100 over 1. So to get the error in this question, it will be 18.4 minus 18 ml. So the error will be 0.4 over the actual is 18.4 ml times 100 over 1. So let's punch this on the calculator. Remove this. So it's going to be 0.4 times 100. Okay, 40 divide 18.4. So we have it to be 2.17%. So the correct option is what? Option D. This is a value in 2 decimal places. So it's as simple as this, guys. Very interesting. So just apply this formula and you'll be good to go. So let's go to the next question. So it says a weight of a day-old chick was measured to be 0.21 gram. If the actual weight of the chick is 0.18 gram, what was the percentage error in the measurement? So guys, as usual, percentage error is error over actual times 100 over 1. Actual is the actual value or measurement. So the error in this question will be 0.21 minus 0.18. So let's punch it in a calculator to get a precise or accurate value. 0.21 minus 0.18. 0.18. So what's the output? We have it to be 0.03. 0.03 over, so the actual weight is 0.21 gram. Sorry, actual weight is, on the question, if the actual weight of the chick is 0.18 gram, rather 0.18 gram times 100 over 1. So let's punch this on the calculator. So this is going to give us 0.03 times 100. So we have 3 divide 0.18. So the output is what? 16.66, which is equivalent to 16.7 when you are estimating to 1 decimal place. So it will give you 16.7. So the correct option is option B. It's as simple as this. So lastly, let's wipe this and solve the next question. Okay, so the last question here says, instead of a boy to correct this value to 3 significant figures, he corrected to 3 decimal places. What is his percentage error? This question is interesting. As usual, if you don't know how to express values in significant figure and in decimal places, you will fail it. I have treated the topics in the series of this video, so check the playlist of this video. You will see where I dealt with problems involving significant figures and decimal places. Ensure you watch them so that you will be in the same pace with us here. Okay, so let's solve this question. Remember that percentage error is error over actual times 100 over 1. So for this question, to get, firstly, let's this value 0.0244866 to 3 significant figure will be 0.0245. So significant values start from non-zero number. Alright, so this is significant, this is significant, this is significant, third one, this is the fourth one. So you have take this one as 1, it's up to 5, put it to this 4, it will not be 5. Okay, so this value to 0.024866 to 3 decimal places will give you 0.024. So decimal value starts immediately after the decimal point. So this is the point. Immediately we have 0. So this is the first decimal place, the second decimal place, the third one. So it's as simple as this. Alright, we are making progress. Okay, had it been the fourth one is this value, so it's now to 5. I can add it up as 1 to this 4. So from this expression we have this one 0.0245 is higher than 0.024. So you are going to subtract 0.024 from 0.0245. So the error will be 0.0245 minus 0.024. Okay, so this is 4, guys. I'll write it well. Okay, so let's punch it on the calculator. So we have 0.0245 minus 0.024. So what will be the output? We have it to be 0.0005. So it will be error over actual. The actual value is this significant figure value we have 0.0245. So it will be this error times 100. Okay, 0.05 divide the actual, which is 0.0245. Sorry, 245. So that's it. Press equal to, we have the output to be what? 2.04. So the correct option is what? Option C. It's as simple as this, 2.04%. Alright, so that's the percentage error. It's as simple as this. This is basically you can deal with problems involving percentage error for your JAMB Maths. These are repeated questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's quit the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more of these videos, also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now, click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.